Today I'm gonna show you how to make Chinese bolognese, aka this beautiful bowl of Zha Jiang mian. It's easier and maybe better. Alright, so for my Zha Jiang mian recipe, I have two main ingredients: minced pork and diced potatoes. Don't put carrots, don't put zucchini, leave that for the Koreans. Korean style jjajangmyeon. For this recipe, we just want these two ingredients to shine. I want that meatiness from the pork and also the Dou Ban Jiang sauce. So later on, just imagine that thick meaty sauce with tiny chunks of soft potatoes you bite in, coated in that beautiful wavy knife cut noodle. So right now we just added in very simple aromatics: onion, spring onion, garlic, ginger. And then we're gonna caramelize it for a bit, and then the sauce will go in. Then after this, the potatoes will go in, and then we're gonna get some color on it as well. Then the sauce. And we're almost done. So easy. So we just added the two main sauces for Zha Jiang mian, which is Doubanjiang, which is chili bean paste, and also Hoisin sauce. Originally they used Tian Mian Jiang, which is like a sweet bean sauce, but I couldn't find that at Sheng Siong today, so Hoisin sauce is a good replacement. Now we're gonna leave this to cook for 15 minutes, stir it occasionally. I can eat already lah. Alright, so today I'm using my favorite Tao Xiao Mian again. My knife skills are really... Look at that! Bruh, come on. Come on, come on.
Oh, it looks amazing.
My god.
Ah.
Oh! The sauce go inside my eye.
Oh.
Sorry.
Okay, no, that's okay.
I'm gonna say, better than bolognese. This is another one, the not funny good one. Oh, that soft potato. Do I have sauce over my mouth? Dixon! Can't try.
Tell me, Leon, get me.
Yeah. Do you guys think I should start a Tao Xiao Mian series? I think I'm already on the way to it. Alright.